SARL is an AI-powered platform, a government initiative developed under support of the ANRF, Anusandhan National Research Foundation, with the primary goal of democratizing research. Research papers with valuable insights are converted into simplified forms by converting them into engaging formats such as videos, presentations, and podcasts to reach more people, thereby creating a bridge between the scientific community and the public. Moreover, additionally, these contents can be converted into various Indian languages, thereby aiding meaningful knowledge dissemination, fostering further research, and creating public awareness. Our prestigious institution, SRM Institute of Science and Technology, has several impactful research publications and patents which have been converted through the SARL AI platform. Especially recently, some of the top papers have been selected and published, and they will be shared.
Welcome to this presentation on structural tweaking of zwitterionic metallosupramolecular assemblies for intense Nair emission and high charge carrier mobility. This research was conducted by Divya Susan Phillips et al. And published in 1st January 2025. Today, we'll explore the key findings and contributions of this important work. Let's begin by understanding the problem this research addresses. Metal organic materials MOMS with intense near-infrared NIR emission and charge transport capabilities are crucial for biomedical and bioelectronic applications, particularly in medical diagnostics. Metallosupramolecular assemblies, guided by directional metal-ligand coordination, offer a promising route to create MOMS with strong electronic communication for targeted optical and electronic properties. This research involved the synthesis of a monotopic squarene di-M-SK and a ditopic squarene di-DSK, both featuring p-pyridine units for metal coordination. These squarene dyes were characterized using 1H-NMR, 13C-NMR, and HR-MIS photophysical properties, including absorption and emission spectra, were measured in acetonitrile. Titration experiments with Zn open parenthesis ClO4 close parenthesis 2 were conducted in a HCl3CH3CN solution to investigate the formation of metallosupramolecular assemblies. The synthesized M-square and D-square dyes exhibited distinct absorption and emission profiles. Upon Zn open parenthesis II close parenthesis coordination, M-square formed dimeric complexes with a 1:0.5 ligand to metal ratio, showing a red-shifted near emission D-square. Upon coordination, Zn open parenthesis II close parenthesis formed extended metallopolymers, exhibiting a significant enhancement in near emission quantum yield from 6.2 to 21.4. 1H-NMR titrations confirmed the formation of dimeric complexes for M-square and coordination polymers for D-square. The structural tweaking of zwitterionic squarene dyes through coordination with Zn open parenthesis I close parenthesis ions proved effective in simultaneously enhancing NIR emission and charge carrier mobility. The observed intense NIR emission in these GUI metallopolymers is attributed to the restriction of terpidine unit rotation upon complexation, which minimizes non-radiative decay pathways. This study successfully demonstrates that structural modification of zwitterionic squarene dyes through coordination with ZnII ions can yield metallosupramolecular assemblies with both intense Nair emission and remarkably high charge carrier mobility. The M-square ZnII assembly achieved a charge carrier mobility of 2.5 cm V-1-1, the highest reported for any metallosupramolecular system to date.